What's going on, internet? Hey, so it's Zach again here with Wrecker Central. It's been a while since we did a shop update. We were waiting on steel shipments. We had a lot of crazy stuff going on, so we're back. It's nice out. It's a good day, so let's go check in on the shop and see what those guys got going on. I know they're busy. All right, Tom, what do you got going on? This looks hard.
Hey, Zach. Right now I am running the main power cord from the battery here straight to the pump for the lift.
Okay, yeah, that looks tough. I don't know how
Yeah,
to
it's a
do
little
it.
tight.
Yeah, there's a lot going on in here.
Yeah.
This is real cramped.
I'll get it though.
Yeah, I believe in you. So yeah, this is what controls the pump, tells it up, down, in and out, all that fun stuff.
This is the main power cord. Yep.
Okay, cool. Well, this looks really hard, so I'm gonna let you get back to work. All right, Rob, what do you got going on today?
Oh, just got done unloading the steel truck and jumped right to work on Nick's 5x7 custom tube. We're going to go ahead and get this done and start getting his Denali that's in the shop finished up.
Okay, cool. I know I talked to Nick. I know he's really excited about it, so he's looking forward to this. He's actually supposed to be bringing another buddy down with his truck, I guess. I don't know. But
That's what I've heard.
yeah, so this thing's coming together. This is real nice. Glad we got that steel shipment in. So, all right, cool. Well, I'll let you get back to work. I don't want to take up your time. Thanks, man. Yeah, so as you guys can see, we got a lot going on in here today. So I'm going to let these guys get back to work. And, yeah, we'll see you guys later on today.